from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The Bank of Japan may exit negative interest rates as soon as March if this year's wage negotiations result in bumper pay hikes exceeding 4%. Former central bank board member Makoto Sakurai said the US dollar index was on track for its first weekly fall in 2024 on Friday, as investors took a breather from buying the currency following an almost 2-month rally built on expectations that the Federal Reserve will begin cutting rates later than previously expected. Oil prices fell nearly 3% lower to end last week and posted a weekly decline after a US central bank policymaker indicated interest rate cuts could be delayed by at least 2 more months.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US new home sales will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1630 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1630 GMT. The US 5-year note auction will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 0000 hours and 01 minutes GMT. Japan's national consumer price index at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.